if you need to show the proportion of something, in that case, we can use couple of chart types like a pie chart, a donut chart, a tree map. So in this case, let us use them, and I'll be talking about, we can simply just change the view, okay, and we can simply see that how it looks like. So let me just squeeze it slightly. I don't need that much of a big uh, chart over here. And let me insert a pie chart, right? I'll just put it over here, just in front of it. I personally have a habit of, keep on aligning things over here just to save time later on. So suppose I want to show category wise revenue over here, which is quite a good view. I'll search for the category, which is the category name. I'll drop it into the legend over here. And then what I'm looking for is the revenue. The same revenue, which is going to be a measure, I'll drop it over here into the values. You can also go with a field. There's no problem. So this is how it looks like. I'm okay with that, right? If I change it to a tree map, this is how it looks. The proportion of a particular category inside the entire tree map, or I can change it to a donut. So this is how it looks. I personally like a donut chart. I don't know why, but I personally like it. So I'll just go with this. And about this, what I'm going to do, I'll simply want the similar type of formatting for the chart what we have over here for this combo chart. So I'll first select it. Under the home tab, we have this format painter. I'll select this one, and I'm going to just apply onto this donut chart. And now you'll notice at least we are having this title formatted, which is revenue by category name. I don't want to have that name word over here. So I'll just make some changes from this. So you can save some time using the format painter. That's absolutely up to you. First of all, I'm going to turn off the legends because I can see that it is taking a lot of space. I know you are worried that how we would know that which part of the pie is, showing what, but not only hover over, but I'm going to show you something. Detail label, and I'll simply go with all detail labels. So it means that I'll be having the name of this category also along with that. I'll go down and I'll just go with the title, which I want to change over here. And I'll say revenue by category is absolutely fine. No need to have a name word there. So revenue by category. So I'm having these two charts with me, which is good. Okay. Why I've kept a space in between? Because I personally like to put a break in between the visual, which gives a very clean view. And how I generally do, if I go to the insert tab, there we have the shapes and there we have a line available. So I'll simply put a line in between these. So it's completely optional. If you think it will be useful, you can go ahead with this, else you can ignore it. I'll simply put it between them. Correct. I think it has been placed perfectly. Yeah. Okay. And similar way, it's actually covering the outline also, which I don't want. So I'll simply keep it slightly inside the canvas. I need to see that how it looks like. It's also covering. Let me just squeeze it slightly. There I go. That's fine. Okay, and let me also keep it over here. And what do I need to do? I'll also put a break over here. I'm just keeping the things ready for the next visual. So I've just created a copy, Control Z, Control V of this line, and then I'll, in the format shape, I'll simply go with the rotation, and I'll just rotate to 270 degree, which is actually a horizontal line. So there I go. You can see I've just created the horizontal line. You can just have a recap of this video to see that how I've created the same. and I'm good the way it is appearing, right? And let me also drag it slightly to keep the line over here. I'm simply using Control C, Control V to create a copy of the same, and this is how I've placed the line over here. Yeah, that's how it is. Correct. So I'm just breaking the entire section so that I can keep few more things into it, and I personally like this way. It seems quite clean while creating the entire canvas. Right. Okay. So that's it in this video. I hope you understood that how we can see. If you want to change it to other visuals, you can simply hover over and click on them and you are good to go. Thank you.